Hello everybody, Hot Wheels Body Shop here. Quite often on my Instagram I get asked how I do my axles and what size tubing and everything, so today we're going to go over how and what materials I use to make my axles. To start off, I find this tubing at Hobby Lobby. Size is right there for you guys. Ignore the paint all over my hands. Number 5125 is the item number, and 1/16 brass tubing. After you pick up your tubing, go ahead and get yourself some clippers so you can clip your old stock wheels, or axles I mean, and then get yourself your car. As always, begin by drilling out your car. And if you're new to customizing, go ahead and check out my Do You Really Need a Tap video to find out all the sizes of drill bits you're going to need. Alright, now that you got your car apart, go ahead and grab your tubing. Now this method that I do, you don't necessarily need a torch, it's just a tad faster and I prefer it. So I take the tubing, get it nice and warm. Take the base, and just melt my spot. Now that we got our spot melted, let's see how it fits. You guys hear that? Nice solid click. Nice and tight. You can even just slide it in from the side. It's in there nice and tight. I just usually take a tiny bit of glue, hold it down so it can't slide back and forth. Once you have that fitted, go ahead and measure how much you need and just cut it off. Now that I got my mark, I'll begin to cut. This right here that I'm using is a jeweler's saw. I'll be sure to leave the link below. Once you got your axle, go ahead and sand down the rough edge. Then just take your axle, put it on, pop it in, boom. Now for the stock axles. Go ahead and find your center, grab your clippers, once you got your stock axle trimmed down a little, go ahead and slide that through your new wheel of choice. If you're looking to get any wheels like this, these are made by Monoblock. You can go ahead and grab some at monoblock.com. Once you got that through, take your new axle and frame and slide that on in. Usually I add a little bit of glue to the pin just to hold it down in there. There we go. But those monoblocks were just a little too small, so I think I'm going to go with these alloys. If you're looking to get yourself some alloys, go over to 710 Panda Bear on Instagram. With that said, there it is. If you're looking to make the wheels stick out a little more, just make your axles longer. It's that easy. There it is. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and please let me know what you think down below.